Headshot 150.
Sure, I don't prefer short design.
Yes, ma'am.
Pretty stroke of 7 sharp.
It's that, Abi?
Yes.
300. Problem with the Chairman need to buy like extra 3 yards. But we just got to take the deck so that it go follow 43. Next!
I don't do. I will send all my major net data to you.
Why?
Then you go to touch my geography, no go happen.
A child that see who send at school cannot bypass waiting God do for her. A single mind is the devil's workshop. That is why evil spirit entered Toloko in my republic, because he was single and doing nothing. Now I am sending the 3 of you, you 2 and Igba, to school so that you will be useful and not be a problem to the society. If others have been measured, you have no objection. I go. Objection overruled.
Jesus! Why slap me? Why did they touch my geography?
No, it's not what you think. I only the look.
You see how foolish you are. You are a cowardice donkey. How can you be missing business with looking? What is the difference between touching and romancing? You have loose guarded. No loose guard.
No loose guard!
I'm sorry.
Sorry, now go solve this one. You call this a public fool, and if you not take time, you'll go back half.
They will beat you. And anybody that say why they beat you, they will beat and join. Even the passers by, they go beat them. Anybody who is in that environment, I believe that is what I call meteorological strategy.
That's my girl!
You are a bone of contention. Peter, good afternoon.
What may I help you with? What is it?
Peter, before Thursday, Badu, good afternoon too. Then Tina, none of that.
Will you stand up from there? It's not like this is an office. You are supposed to stand until you are asked to sit.
Peter, you know if better that in a office and you got my first stand or you take my sit down. What if you get my babele? Can you not take to sit down? You know what?
Akasubi, sit down. It's not as if I have bad belly for you, but you're supposed to know all this. You're supposed to know manners now. What is it?
Tita, you get what I want to tell you. That's why I have to come and tell you in your office. You tell me like this one. All those small children in the class, then the teacher have been too more picking. They see so they don't know say a 2 son and can buy is like. So they call it look me like I'm more like that. It's not a good thing. But you think it's my family that get this school. If you help me now, tell my family say I have to be a teacher like you. All of them will agree. Because me now, if I not tell them they don't come agree, say I have to be a teacher. You they get. So that all these students I know how to teach them. If you look at me, I'll be first picking up my family. I can teach very well. I teach them anything they want to know. That's why I'm a firstborn, so I can teach people. So if you tell them now, say, maybe become a teacher like you, me and you will not be inside this office. You know now be lonely. When I come out now, only your day, you are lonely, you are too lonely. But if I did inside this place with you, you will not be lonely. You will not be teaching together.
So wait, you came all the way from your class to come and tell me this?
Yet now, I don't allow anybody to follow me because I want to confide in you.
Do you have WAEC results?
No.
Do you have JAMB results?
Not at all.
What of NCE?
I forgot get that one, but the university complete.
Do you have BSc?
I want a big one.
So you don't even have all these qualifications. Now tell me, how do you want to become a teacher?
But you know this school now, our family school. So anything when you tell them now a teacher that is inside the school, they will believe it, yes. Apatu be the Bado, I will now be teacher Bado. You understand? Easy for you to tell them now. You just tell them I want to be as a teacher like you. You know, Uncle Spirit talk and say you enter this school as a teacher with awaiting result. You just tell them for me to enter with awaiting result like you, the same.
Apasubi, you are very stupid. Where is that kid? Will you leave my office now? Get out! Before I open my eyes there, I want you out of this office. Leave!
Teacher, are you your 8th period? Because they tell one woman they 8th period, now they take the vet anyhow.
Get out! If not because that the principal is your relative there, I would have sent you to prison.
Didn't you tell no? Oh yeah, let me be a teacher like you. You didn't know. Not be told that they do the thing.
I said leave here.
Let's go with our own. Nothing they happen. They hear me. Honorable Matiba, the principal.
The chairman, sir.
Oh, but now, man, let this little thing get out for you. What I want to tell to you is personal. Move. It's a confidential matter. Correct, Viva. Honorable, Larry Wagwatwa, can't you greet?
Good morning, Uncle.
Is it honorable there?
Sorry, good morning. Chairman, who are these people with my school uniform? I don't know these people.
Actually, all these ones are my Republicans. So I have bring them come here to school for your school. Do they hear me now?
Chairman, without telling me, how did I get my uniform?
Now me say me the swan for it. You know, see, if it happy.
No. Okay, look at this boy. This is like school uniform of somebody that died in this school. This uniform has already been used. They should come through me. Look at this girl. Look at her hair. This is not a hair. This is a hair say. Which kind of hair like iron sponge? How can she learn with such a hair? Okay, look at this one. This girl cannot learn, Chairman. This girl can't even take correction. She can't be my Chairman, look at them now.
Calm down. It is me that said the tailor should swan for them. The tailor is my republic. It is the one that saw all the cloth. Even the cloth I go and give the governor the other day, you say, look at them, all this one.
Chairman, I'm very sorry. You know, I have so much respect for you. But I don't know this ignorant man always shouting in my school premises. Why is he shouting like this? Are you a dog?
Fever, calm down. This is school, it's not a place you shout anyhow. You are not a bulldog. No problem. One here. Honorable. What will happen now? Say, let them enter school and school. Do they hear me now? I know what to do. It is my school. Else you want me to call grader to come and close out this place. I sell it for you. So
it's the chairman.
Correct. And the one that owe it all.
But chairman, we need to discuss. You understand?
Okay, no problem.
Let
them go school.
Uncle Spirit. Sir. Take these students to their class. By this boy's age, he needs to start from primary 1. It's not by head. Take them to their class.
Oh, Uncle Spirit. Is that a name of a teacher or a name of a...
I don't know the kind of names teachers give themselves.
What will happen be say, how much I go come pay for them?
For the 3 of them, that would be 150. And you see, for that boy with that head, you know you have to pay extra because nothing can enter into that head, Chairman.
Okay, 150 is a small little change. I can say I will pay the money, but meanwhile 150,000 naira. Don't forget, say you people are owing me money for grading in this school when I used to grade this road. So you people are going to pay me for that. You are owing me 40,000 for grading and 10,000 naira for your task. You have not paid also. That's my check. So I will balance you 100,000. Do you hear me, so?
Chairman, can't you forget? I thought you forgotten grading. Forget such a thing.
Can somebody forget the money he did not dash person? Kakaka. Look at me, honorable. Somebody money cannot lose unless he die. And me have not died. In fact, if I ever die, did I dash you the money? As I say, I not dash you the money. If I die and I see you for heaven gate, I will collect my money. That's my check. You are a whippo whipia. Yeah, man, teach them well. That's my check.
Inside the water for more than 7 days. So it's your plan. You want to read this now so that I will read everyone to perceive this. How do you mess in my class?
Mess is a spiritual expression when you come. I'll go, sir.
What's the name?
Precious cup, fine cup of life.
Who asked you to sit down?
I think someone the answer question finished. Let's go sit down.
You don't have single respect. No single respect. No regard. Nothing.
Uncle, you senior me. How many years you take senior me? This is serious. This is serious. See, you know what you're going to do? Go home and write me a narrative essay about yourself. Going to school and submit it tomorrow. Nonsense. Absolute nonsense.
I'm talking to you. What is your name? Are these people deaf and dumb? What about you? What's your name? Me. No, I'm talking to the person at your back. They are even looking at the back. My dear, what about you? My name is Namunemune.
What?
That's what Chema they call me now. Hey. What sort of name is that? Paul, please stand up, eh? Show them how to introduce themselves properly.
Okay, if you want to introduce yourself, you'll be like, my name is Paul Ogeshuku. I'm from Oxford Public School. Thank you.
Vasami. Oh, so wait though, you can talk. Even you. And you even have the mouth still Vasami. Yes.
This one, don't mind now. That's actually part of the prosperity class.
What will you close your dirty teeth?
Auntie, I'm just to express myself.
Go, get back to your seats. Go. Leave to your seats. I thought you didn't tell me your name. What's your own name? I'll go. You, Uncle?
Ibama.
Oh, yeah, remove that face cap. Remove that cap! I gave you guys assignments to submit on my desk this morning. I saw everybody's own, apart from you. Akasubi, why didn't I see your assignments? I told you guys to draw a live cockroach. Where is your own?
My name is not Akasubi. My name is not Akasubi. My name is Bado.
That is not what I asked you. Where is your assignment?
Paul, they did not the live cockroach. So if they want to do it, they don't. They know. They if you look for a live cockroach to do, they not do it.
Akasubi, by 3 p.m. Today, let me have that assignment on my desk. Can you hear me?
I do not believe the note come therefore I all can't go without that note.
Akasubi, if I don't see that assignment, you have me to contend with you. I don't care if it's your family that owns this school. You have me to contend.
I can't tell you nothing about this school.
Anyways, I don't have your time.
My name is Bado. You go and talk to my boy and you go with no people. It's a where? Everybody stand up.
beg, I go, believe me, I beg. I know where.
Oh, you know where? So what's in your gun shop now? Eh?
So you talk like it's not the same school when you go now go. I don't just talk and say jealousy they flow for your vein. So we're gonna say I know where they ending now. You jealous me. Hey.
It's a journal! See as they silent. Since on a say na shout, now go silent on a locomotive attitude for this house.
Who just speak my English?
It's a chair. Chair now for my dream or now it is speaker.
Hey, Fever, I speak English for your dream and you can't speak up for Pacifica. So that people will not give you the credit. Where do I take the royalty? Abi, and you, why this purpurious atmosphere?
Che, na mune. I go for school, no food for us. Mune say she no fit cook for me.
Che, imagine I go when we say never come for me okoye. They tell me mune. Che, I go Burkina Faso. I go Malawi. I go Cotonou. I go say make me cook for her. Check me ask her if I cook, which mouth you want to eat. Ask her.
Traveler, look me Nyanya. A person that travel to a place where be say they non stop in passport visa is like person where be say if they drink garri with hot water.
But check.
Good. Let me tell both of you. You are supposed to be behaving mature like students wanna be, so that you go can't get job and they work in a good place.
Thank God, Chair. My auntie said we create job for ourselves.
Hey, yes. What type of job you they talk?
Nurse job, doctor job, even blow job. Is it Chair?
Blow job?
Yes.
In my republic. Listen to me. It is not in my republic you are going to be a blow job ambassador. You cannot be a blow job professor here. Look at you. Who you now? You are a sophisticated player.
That's my chair.
Make sure this place is an atmospheric condition before I return. Make sure so that cook. Good.
Ago, what's your best subject?
Chemistry.
Let me see what? How you want to like it you know? That's okay. Why do you like chemistry?
So that we pick chemistry.
Okay, that's alright. You, Igba or something?
Igba.
Which subject do you like?
I like CRS.
What's CRS? You mean CRS?
Yes, CRS.
Why do you like CRS?
I want to have my own church.
So wait, the church that you are going to is not enough for you. You want to open new church? Where is Akpasubi? That boy is trying me in this school because his family owns this school. His uncle, Abi, his brother. Okay. Anyways, you guys should bring out your notes, tear a sheet of paper. We are going to do dictation today. So.
See, by the time we just leave there like this, they will go there. While you do just theater, they look anybody did the come. And me, I will just come eat there. I will feel like they think they will die. If you let me to. And sort of one.
Igban, hold the glass. You know say I dey with them. Who be done? So we be like politician wey swallow pride. See, for up and when I grow, now certain believe person to be done. Not be by maths, not by action.
Hey, what I'm there. You dey run your mouth as if say you get running stomach. Why would they beat you here?
Hey, God. If not be shame I may send me school, wetin concern crayfish and tilapia?
Mado something.
Leave am. Because this girl, I'm going to introduce you and report you to my family people. I'm going to do with you. They were told now.
I go say sorry now.
Sorry. Me, Otwege one of normal you, I go say sorry. If I say something, I die.
That you die.
Your girl is Mune.
Share, like say she go market.
Okay. How is school they go for now?
Me, I'm learning a lot. I'm learning a lot.
Sure, I didn't learn, and I didn't make new friends too. Why do they cough? What did concern you?
You and me person cry yesterday for school.
Hey! I go!
Sure.
So you go school and they make person they cry for class?
Shall not be that one. My auntie say when they eat, make you know they talk.
Good. Is it your auntie that tell me to chop my food? Are you the one that will not direct me on how I will buy my food that I buy and chop the food when I want to chop it?
Yes, sure. Now my duty, as you send me go to school, now my duty to come correct you for us.
Is it you that pay your school fees? It is your father that you correct, not me.
Yes, sure. I don't correct my father. So now you be the father of this republic. I can't correct you now.
Hey! What's wrong? I go. Hey, you be poor elementary tutus. Good. I'm telling you, no, you are taking a one. You are calling a one. You get one. You are the chairman's house. My public will do. Yes.
Thank you.
No, we take your time to flesh.
Alright. Baby, this your house is so beautiful.
Yes, now. I told them to talk about. Yeah, this house is beautiful, including you that is inside of it. It is only Igba and Fever that is not beautiful in this house. Very ugly people. Hey, baby, I like the way you are touching me. You can see my body is rigmarole. Hey, I want us to go showers. Let's go and do the tea.
Calm down. You know, the Bible says love is patient. So just calm down, relax. Let's have fun, let's play, you know?
See, with you around, I find every other thing boring.
Oh my God.
Oh. I like the way you miss my stress. What are you looking at? Will you close your eye? Run like flash. Go and buy me CD.
Is a chair there? No vessel. You know, say na 3 DVD we get for this house. What do you want you see the do again?
Fever.
Is a chair.
I said go and buy me.
Okay. Is a chair there? That's the war Susie money. Susie money. Susie money.
Baby. Yeah, I'm going to buy you a ticket to go to Dubai.
Is a chair.
Hey, be like that. Backward stretch. Ado,
Chair.
what is going on here?
I bring my servant to come make you correct me copy.
Who be your servant? I not be your classmate again.
Shut up. I don't pay you.
How can you be bringing Agrippa like this, that carry beer like goat, that did you come and you are calling a servant? Listen to me. Even Baba Jesus Christ, he did for Bible say, he come to serve people, not for people to serve him. Not to talk of taking like picky like you, you they get servant.
That one are whole days. Two-faced cigar say all man to himself.
What is happening? Okay, come out to himself. I bring my secretary girl. The girl on point over. He come here now, you are now so carrying him out, come out. I go, peperi. Now go to do pass yourself. About turn, leave it.
Che, you carry woman come out. As soon as you carry woman come out, so
I go, in the republic.
Sir,
I want the names of noise makers. If If I hear pim, I will destroy that person. I will use my whip to whip that person. I will draw lines in your body. Don't look at me. Forget the fact that I'm a principal. I'm not an ordinary person. I'm not a see. Oh, give me the names of first maker.
Yes, sir.
Anybody that is found wanting will hear from me. You are not serious.
Where are you guys going to and where are you coming from? Are you not supposed to be in class by now? Why are you people roaming about?
Sister, to tell me to one of my boys in that class, they copy for me.
Ado!
Correct.
And you, why are you holding him there? So now, what is the problem?
Bolo, excuse me. I want to tell you something. Oh yeah, Pamut. Tita, to tell me to you know, say, now maybe Bado. And I have the bright future. I want my future you for my future.
Akpasubi.
Okay, Bado.
Akpasubi.
Bado.
How many times did I call you? Now look at yourself from your head to your toe. Do you look like someone that has a future?
Tita, I get to. When you tell me now, you know, my future is very bright. So I want somebody like you because a man without a woman with the future is not correct. So you're deal with me so that the future will go well.
Now tell me one thing you've achieved in life. What have you achieved in this your life?
I've achieved everything now. You see this school like this, so now my uncle I get on. My papa like know the person when he get this school. All those one are family achievement. And right now, me I don't achieve many things to follow now.
Akpasubi, you are very stupid. You've never achieved anything in your life. Even this small school that they managed to put you in for you to go to, you don't have anything in your brain. Instead of you to be in class, to learn something, you are busy roaming about.
Look at me, I have a vision. Don't look at a man because of the television.
You know what? Get back to class. Get out from here before I hit you.
Bado!
Now, woman,
I will make sure I speak to the principal to have you expelled.
Now, my papa get it cool. Pretty pie to the house. They hear me.
And you will go down with him. Can you imagine? Sit there.
I am misbehaving outside. What are you doing outside? And you are in this class. My friend, come sit down. Look at his head. Like a motion. What kind of a student is this? Where is the list of projects I asked you to compile for me? Bring it here. You want me to? This student. So I should be moving up and down. It's your school. Are you the principal? I will give this your head. Very short girl. Ago, that is 1 million. Are you the owner of this school?
No.
Did your father dig the foundation of this school?
No, sir.
Your name is all over the list of records. In fact, you are singing in my school. You are talking. So you are not the head of this school. Principal, take it. Principal, take it. You are holding it. Come. You are not the owner of the school. We cannot have peace anymore. I go everywhere. So we can't have peace in this school because of you. You are not serious. No, you cannot be serious. Now, kneel down first. I will tell you. Kneel down. I said you should kneel down. You did not even tell her about me. I'm not an ordinary. Go and ask your chairman in the Republic before I enter the education fee. I was not good though. Do you know why I hold that cane?
No.
Now flog your head. I've seen that you are not just a student, you are a disease. You are a demon. I alone cannot fight you. The gods that I serve cannot fight you. I'm going to gather other principals of other schools. You will hear from me. Ago, you will hear from me. Ago, you will hear from me.
Kiwa, this life not really balanced. It's like this way, you the vase. They are not getting one error. See, if you not get money for this life, no fit do anything. Leg you no fit raise, waka you no fit waka, nothing you no fit do. This life, you know you don't deal with my brother. Why you the vase?
Igba, for the first time in your life, where you talk something where you're in my mind. I get many things I want to do now, but phones not go allow me run now.
My brother, I understand what you did talk. This life not just easy at all.
Shut up, E. What you know about life? All wait till this one sabi na to snap picture, raw pancake. The last, one man go see Maria for us.
This one the corner. Which kind of thing be this one? If it easy, why your girlfriend not dey give you money?
Shut up! Keep quiet. Who are you? You are in there. You are an impostor. You are a botanical animal.
Hey, Favor, is a chair there? Do you want to finish my English?
Yeah.
What do you now want me to speak tomorrow?
Chair. Sorry, Chair.
Sorry for yourself. And you, where it be said to Agrippa that will become mad tomorrow are talking. Now you when the peace pass back, go call the talk. Eh? But why? What do you people really know about that? You people that are little children picking, you are here talking about life. But why? See, you are not from history, so you cannot tell anything about history. Una no press motor, una no Agiric house, una no image garden. Abi una know where they call courtyard. Wama street, Wama family. Look at me here and there. You, where is Ago?
She dey read inside.
Hey, wonder shall never end. Ago read. Come sit down there. Can't you see everywhere they peaceful? If Ago is not around, everywhere will be calm. So at here, you are a precarious botanical animal. Don't enjoy. Good.
Akwasuri, or what are you called? See, I came here to warn you. In fact, make I drop my English because now only inside class now this is my English for the girl fed. For this matter, I no go speak English. See, I can't warn you. Come more hand for that anti matter. If you no come on hand, wallahi talai. You go turn matter. Not be loud. You go turn stick matter.
Oh, don't come again now.
You know the shit. I mean, shut up. By this age, you see they play Nintendo. Nintendo, then my nephew don't throw it. Now see they play. See, I come on you. Come on, for that Ochere matter. If not, you go see say man, now something else one don't play.
Titina, that now could be you don't provoke my anger. You know the people. You know nothing I may be bad though. If you don't know me, who are you to talk to me like that? Me, I go to school, I go to Uniben, I go to college education. You know, better they authenticate me.
Shut up!
If I did could not boy, even the party teacher I'll call the talk to me Bado.
Bado, I go show you things. I go show you things. If you not come on, you think go turn street man.
I go do it. I'm going to do it too. Peter, if you not tell you get power, come and cut it.
They don't like for me.
Come and cut it.
This way we do for school. Now you want to follow me show.
Cut it down.
If not be saying a spirit omina, tomorrow commit murder. I will punish you.
Cut it now. Now teach you a dirty lady. Now tell you I'm a commando in different matter.
Come on now. Come on for it. Finish you.
But cut it down. Cannot touch you now for this.
Bato!
Bato, it's too much. Yeah, and we got it too.
Now we get that.
It is my family school. It is my father that you know my uncle that the school.
Yes, I go office, of course.
What do you want to go and do there?
Now my civil rights as student for this school. Yes, citizen student of this school to report with my ass.
I don't please now. Don't do this to me. Chema will kill me.
Hey, your parents gonna kill you. So that tell me principal see me red name on noise maker and they write out no text 1 million text. God will cash you.
I swear. I don't write your name again. I won't write your name again.
But wait, please. That's all that they do this with. That's what Mary not do before he born Jesus now.
Come tomorrow now. It is sweet. Do you want to do?
God forbid! Get near me, devil!
I go.
I be waiting that they call you. So now they tell me Bado, who can't come and school, come every day, Nana, you don't they carry the respect and all the follow-up in again. Now you got the way for the school.
Bado. I don't get. What you say be your name? Bado or Baku?
No, you don't they fear me. I don't know tell me that my papa 19 years my uncle will get this school. Okay, that now you want me to teach you a lesson that you never forget. You don't know me. What is my name? Bado. Yeah, you tell me to I don't fear anybody. In fact, I'm not the fear people, I don't fear anybody because now when I get this food. You don't know, yes. I do not fear me. Right now, I'm going to teach you for you to fear me. Stop that! I'm going to teach you for you to fear me. Leave me right now. I'm going to kill you today.
Push it!
Fever. Not the walk. Like this. Give me. Oh yeah. You know say I be bad soprano. Man, this song knock now. Eat. We don't blow. I'll give 40%. Would that share my money? Continue. We don't blow. Yeah. G. Igba in the Republic. Fever on the beat. Shot by Argo. Let's go. When I remember the lady what I run away my eye. What I run away my eyes. When I remember people where they are, what I run away my eyes. What I run away my eyes.
Whose water is running away from your eye? Can't somebody relax in this atmosphere? Why are you people disturbing my Republic habitat?
Shall we rehearse Igba song? Fever on the beat, Igba on the mic, shot by Argo.
Oh, you want to snap me picture?
No, sure. I want to put you so that you'll be the one to do the lyrics.
The lyrics, look me, Nyanya. Even when Idemudia was singing song in Hotel de Jordan, at that time, his voice sweet pass now. His voice was so melodious. Even me, Chairman, I was singing song for everybody at that time. That time we used to sing Willy Willy Dog Con Tikba Tikba. Willy Willy Dog Con Tikba Tikba. Who tell you to see that one? Go and see your mate Whiskey. He has blown all over the world. You 38 years. It is now that you want to be singing song.
But you talk and say not be by age that they make up for life.
All your mate is thinking go front. You are thinking anti-clockwise. Even you people song cannot be sweet rich mama to wire.
But that one an old one. So they do some of the new hip hop, new hip hop. Hip hop, share.
Hip hop burial wasuna.
Is it share? We go rename and bury hip hop.
I go. No problem at all. I have convinced myself not to ever argue with you again because my doctor said I should stay out of problems. And you, Igba, let me warn all of you. No more burial song in this place. Before you know it now, tears will be coming out from your eye when you remember fever.
God forbid, though, chair. If it be agu now.
You better make hay while the sun shines. You people are lumbar vertebrata.
Go.
What are you doing in school by this time? Don't greet me. What are you doing in school?
I want to.
My spirit just told me I'm just coming back from the journey. My spirit just told me to come to school, and I know I will find a nuisance like you here. Akpasubi. Akpasubi. What are you doing here?
I forgot my bag. I did not bring my book, so I now say I should go and bring my book. So I don't know if that you will come today.
You are not serious. You are wasting our time. You are wasting your parents' money in this school. In fact, I have one word for you, and that is Akpasubi ignoranceology. You don't need to know the meaning.
They need to call me Bado, not Akpasubi. My name is Bado.
Your name is Bado. So you are among those boys in Ikorodu, causing havoc. Bado. We will change that your name. In fact, you cease to be a member of this school. You are hereby expelled. You are no longer a member of this school.
Although I cannot remember the school of my family. School. You didn't know my father that senior you.
Oh, it's your father that senior me.
It's the family school, so nobody can tell myself. Okay.
It's that family school that will kill your head, because it was a family school that killed my uncle, and you are here shouting that it's your family school. In fact, take your uniform out. Remove your uniform. You are not serious. Look at your uniform is squeezed, as if you saved it in a bottle. Look at his head, like bow tie. Shut up! Family what? Do you know about family school? Imagine a young student. Look at your stomach, like canvas.
It's good na family school. How can I be fully uniform of my own?
My friend.
My own family school.
My friend, put the uniform. You are no longer a student. Look at your stomach. You can't even wear singlet. You are embarrassing my school.
My family school. I have to go like this now.
Give me the trouser, my friend. Go like what? See, look at his shoe. Look at your final year shoe, as if you are in the university.
My family school.
My friend, put that trouser.
You are nicking me. I will tell my
uncle. I will wipe your head now.
Go to tell my father for you.
Look at him.
Nicking me.
My friend, move from this school.
I will make it. I will take on.
Even a bar you will not make.
I will blow. It's not only too much school that you do that.
With your traditional bosses.
My father not train you. My father not give money to
Did your father go to school? Did your father go? If you say we should say the truth, did your father go to school? You are wearing a boss as if you are doing Igwe festival.
I kiss me, I call it. No get problem. But one they borrow.
Share baby.
Huh?
What's the meaning of this?
Shh. Sakadali babe, come and sit down.
Meaning, sit down here.
Where are you going? Lado, what is happening? Sakadali babe, what is wrong with you? Why are you looking at me like that? Am I the only man that have 2 concubines? Go and see King Solomon for Bible. He got up for 300 concubines. They are not given a heart attack.
Oshe, Mr. King Solomon descendant, you did not see Prophet Elijah to compare yourself with Abi?
But wait, how dare you command me to place my mouth on isolation?
God created me with enough fire on my lungs. And so, I am a young chairman that can enjoy himself anytime.
So you call cheating part of enjoyment too, Abby?
Look at me, Nyanya. I can never cheat. I am not a cheat. There is difference between cheating and scientific method. I observe, I confirm, and I evaluate. You hear me now? Fever! Come here, quick! Laro, how can you be in this department and somebody will be talking to me and here? Hey! Remove every big bella out of my department! Move! You are a big boozer. Go!
Fever!
He's a child.
Get out. Let me talk to my psychedelic babe.
I'm sorry for what happened yesterday. Yeah, forget that girl. I don't like her. In fact, I hate her. I love you well. See, I'm going to transfer 300,000 to you now. You are going to use that one to sort yourself. You hear me now?
So that's what you told Abby?
No, forget that girl. You don't know me. It is me, chairman. Everybody know me.
I don't know you anymore.
Maybe I will transfer the money to you. Just don't worry. I just transferred you 300,000.
Chill, baby. Chill, baby. Really, I love you.
I love you too.
Yeah, take this one.
That's my baby. You see, you are my psychedelic babe. Every other babe is shock over. Don't worry. We'll see when you are done from the shop. I will come and pick you later.
Okay, baby.
Catch you, eh? Bye bye.
Chill, baby.
God, come inside. Let's go, Fever. Will you come to the front seat? Am I your driver? Come from the chair. I am devastated. This is Anki parking. I cannot admit this. How can I be focusing your future to light and you are blurring to darkness? I'm the one sponsoring your destiny and you are there una dey fail. Eh?
No, chef. You better say you no check my results yesterday. They put AB.
Shut up your mouth. Which one be AB? AB means absent. You don't even attend the exam at all. No, you know.
Jalan. By the way, where is your result?
Ah, chef. My principal say my results they on hold for now.
You, is your result also on power holding?
No, Che.
Then where now?
Che, you know say our principal and motivational speaker. He even tell us say now when they 50 years, when they build their school. So as you talk and you say no, I want to do music. I want to be musician. Che, my album. Don't money to now remember. I drop my album.
Do musician, Igban. Muko na dey inside you marry. They are supposed to go and bring all those boys when they help people they clean their glass for inside go slow. Make them come wipe all the muko when they inside your brain. Oh, Igban, you think I don't know you people want to trick me? You and this mune, look me here. I am among people that was using corrective fluid to correct results when I did for small picking, but I had to change because I had to focus and change my life. Make I come become a great personality. That's why I go to school and I say yes, education is the best legacy. Now I say make I transfer to una. Everyone I know you people want to put me in a bad condition.
Huh? Thank God, me I could learn how to do business.
A business?
Yes.
What do you know about business, Ago?
Chair, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times.
Oh, shut up, Mama! Before I listen you, who is that? Oh, stand up for Jesus, baby. I miss you too. Republican. You see, you need to know that no matter how tall a father is, the children must do their growing. So, as you pray for me, I pray for you also. You will be what the Lord says you will be. You will be what the Lord says I will be. I go. You will be a businesswoman, even a musician.
Margo back on.
Back what?
C and D now, C and D.
Oh, Cindy that killed your father. Look here, Nyanya. This is my seriously, not my short cassava. Baby.